morning. Having some peanut butter jelly and some toast with butter. Yeah. Susie? Susie is pissed. She Hi. She usually likes to jump up there and up there behind the closet. So she's been really she's just been hanging out there during the day and night, so she only comes down when she wants to poop and eat. So what we've started to do is to block her jump there during the day so that she can be social during the day, and then we take them away during the night so that she can go and hide there. And she's really pissed off. she keeps meowing all the time. Isn't that right, Sus? Yeah. Hi. She just wants to jump up there. So you'll probably hear her screaming in the background every now and then. Susie? Yeah. Oh, tacka hjärtan. So we bought some persimmons yesterday, and I haven't really tasted this before, but it was really good. I was kind of jealous of Banana Blondie. She was eating this all the time, and I haven't seen it in Norway, but we just started getting them. So anyway, we mixed this and maple syrup yesterday together, and that was really good. So I'm gonna have some for breakfast. We've come halfway with the sanding job. I'll show you how it is. We haven't sanded here, but here we have sanded. You can see that well. Yeah, it's very smooth. And so when you cover this with paint, it will be all smooth, hopefully. It's actually still a little bit wet. We've only waited for about 12 hours and we should be waiting 24, but we'll just, I'm kind of impatient, so I'm just gonna finish it. Just finished sanding the roof. It was a hell of a job, but we got it done. And now, time for man's best friend. It's fairly smooth all the way, and some places it was still wet, so you can't really sand that. We started sanding it too early, but we got most of it done, so we're gonna wash off the remaining sand and then wait for it to dry, and then we can start doing the first layer of paint. So this is how the floor looks. A lot of sand everywhere, even on the tables. And we're gonna have to take all of this away, get away all of the sand and wood and all of it. And wash, make sure that everything is clean before we start painting. That way we'll prevent any sand dust from getting into the paint. Gotta say, these persimmons are really good. We only have one more left. So I changed my mind. Instead of washing things up, we're gonna make some I don't know, vad heter bollar?
Buns.
Buns. We're gonna make some buns and some pizza. So I got my bowls here. I'm gonna make a lot so that we have a lot of dough and we can make a lot of buns and hopefully 3 or 4 pizzas. That would be great. Okay, I'm gonna have chopped tomatoes on, some olives, some mushrooms, and a little bit of garlic. The yeast is already getting marinated in here with some flour, lukewarm water, and a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna have some onion on and some tomatoes. Oh, and corn. Got the doughs rising here. Making a marinade for those pretty mushrooms. And in the meantime, I'm gonna eat these. We've got the dough rising, the ingredients prepared, and we have also prepared the mushrooms. They're marinating in some oil, pepper, some oregano, and some salt. We have the chopped tomato ready and some tomato puree. Now we just gotta wait for about an hour and then we'll start assembling everything. Hello. Recipe. Fun. Hello. Buns are in here. They're gonna rise a little bit and then we're gonna cook them. Finally, we've taken the dust away from the ceiling, from the walls and the floor. I'm just gonna do a quick sponge through where I take a wet sponge. Hi, Oliver. Hi. And just go through everything again. I just used a brush to take all the dust away. And I'm just gonna use a sponge, take the rest of it out. Cover this with new plastic. And then we can start painting today, hopefully. Have to admit I'm a little bit tired, so we might postpone the painting, but I think we're gonna start doing it today. I gathered all of my stuff here, de-dusted them, and I'm gonna fill this with some water and just wash away the rest of the dust. Really happy about the results so far. The dough is rolled out. We have four pizza bottoms. Now we're just gonna wait about 20 minutes until they've rised a little bit. And then we'll cook them for about 10 minutes. And then put some topping on and cook them for about 10 minutes more. So I forgot to turn the oven on. Just brilliant, Kim. So these are ready to get in the oven, but I'm gonna have to wait a little bit until the oven is ready. Looking good. First pizza, pre-warmed. No, it's not good. First pizza is pre-warmed. Just gonna put on the toppings and put it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes longer. Final product. I'm gonna dig in. This is the final result. I'm very happy about it. We've already eaten one of these. And we're gonna save this one for tomorrow. And we have one more bottom, one more pizza dough, and we're gonna freeze this one. We still have some ingredients, some toppings that we can use on. We're gonna save those, freeze this, and use it when we want to. I'm gonna freeze half of these buns and have those for tomorrow and the day after. Let's see if there is any space in here. Here. Totally. Perfect. So I finished putting plastic around the whole living room. I've put some paint in here. This is for the ceiling. Gotten this ready. Painted a little bit here, and this is the absolute best part of this whole thing. I absolutely love painting, but everything that you have to do before you paint is kind of boring or tedious. So it's gonna be a lot of fun now. It's actually in the middle of the night, so I can't speak very loudly. But the nice thing about painting is that you can do it at night, since it doesn't make any noise. So I'm gonna finish one layer of paint, then I'm gonna go to bed. My boyfriend has already gone to bed, and I'm gonna finish this one layer and join him. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Seriously.